y'all, so here we are getting ready to clean out our walkway from the barn out to the pasture. It's gotten kind of deep in here, so we have all the cattle out in the pasture right now. We just fed them, and we have the gates opened up. We have the gate closed to the pasture and the gates opened up so we can get the skid loader in here and get some of this mud and dirt cleaned up. So that's what we're up to today. This was getting really deep in here. There is concrete underneath here, so I'm just gonna kind of scoop it all out, get it cleaned up so that the cattle can get through here a little bit better. This is probably a little bit better of an angle now that I can get across. The reason we're doing this is because with all the calves and walking out here, we were afraid that it's getting too deep for them, and we didn't want them to get hurt going out to the pasture. So get it cleaned up and hopefully keep them safe. you can see, we got it cleaned out a little bit here. It is a bit of a tedious job, but I think this will work a little bit better now for the cattle to get in and out. We won't have to worry about the little ones getting stuck or getting hurt trying to walk through the mud and keep them healthy. So it's one of the little jobs that we were doing here on the farm today. Just getting everything smoothed out to get put back together. I hope you enjoyed this video of us cleaning out the walkway. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. So just a few thoughts here. You can tell we still have our New Holland skid steer. We'd like to get a different skid steer, but unfortunately the market is a little soft on them, and we can't really take a big hit on trading this one off for another one. So I guess we're gonna have to stick with this one for a little bit. There's a lot to be learned as a young farm family. You can't take hits on equipment, and you need to make sure that your dealers are willing to work with you a little bit more. So I guess that's a lesson learned, but we'll have to keep you posted on where we stand with that for now. I guess we'll be keeping this around. I know in the video you probably never saw the farmer drive that slow in the skid steer, but it was a little bit of a tight fit, so we got this finished up here, and we'll move on to the next job. We'll keep you posted as the day goes with what we're doing today, so stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna try and do a couple videos a day, so I hope you enjoy these, and please comment, rate, and subscribe.